Hi everyone, so I've got a few clips to share with you from the Nottingham Car Show. I hope you do enjoy. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new here.
You know me well.
He's explained how to get in, it's getting out again.
Yeah, you should see him on a bicycle, never mind a car. Good luck.
Nobody's watching.
Pardon? Yeah, no pressure. No.
It's because you've not got a skirt on.
Oh, darling, so tempting.
Not with them legs.
Hey?
Not with them legs.
My missus don't complain.
That's not what I've heard.
You know her well, don't you? She knows about me and you do. I've got a clue for that. Yeah. Reject to see. Yeah. Reject. For the wheels.
What's the rear though? You can't see it. Right? No.
Thank you. Alright. It's the same again.
Porsche RS. Oh, that's nice. It's nice, that is. It's nice. Lefty. It's Lefty's Aston Martin. You seen that one that keeps knocking around Annesley, though? Aston Martin?
Yeah, what, the black one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's got like a stripe on it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
But it's got a bright plate on it, hasn't
It's dead rare.
it? Yeah, I know it is.
It's like one of 24 in England.
Yeah, this McLaren. The car's sparkling, look.
It's a P1 isn't it though?
No. It's not a P1. It's not a P1. Okay, this is not a supercar, but I had to share it. It's Austin Healey. What an amazing car. It's immaculate as well. Absolutely stunning vehicle. And I love the interior. Look at the red leather seats. Absolutely amazing. So that's the last one today. So I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thank you. Bye.